Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, IT layoffs in India is happening unabated. Many pieces of information come out, many don't. And there have been some legal cases filed too, as we read in media. So the question arrives, uh, whose job is safe nowadays? And the answer is none. It's reality. I don't want to discourage anyone, whoever is working in the IT industry. You might be sitting at top, you might be like the best performer of your team or your project or your organization. Still, there is no guarantee your job will survive forever, because in IT jobs are like it's an industry that evolves all the time. Okay, and it has to evaluate its workforce. So the only way you can survive in this industry means you evolve, and also you get properly evaluated to be positive for your organization. Now, even if you do this, can you still say that your job is safe? Absolutely not. You know why? Because maybe you have evolved yourself, but you are working for a project and that project gets scrapped. Okay, because it's a service based industry. Okay, if that project gets scrapped due to whatever reason, then maybe the organization does not have any other project where your skill sets match, and of course your salary. That is the biggest concern nowadays, cost. Okay, like if you have an experience of, let's say, 10 years, 15 years, and your salary is too high, other guy with just half of your salary can do the same job, then employers think there. So if you believe that your job is safe, I don't think so in the Indian IT strategy. Again, this is just my personal opinion. Don't take it any legal advice. But just to tell you guys, I have more like around 18 years of experience in IT. I have worked across multiple geographies, multiple domains, multiple time zones, multiple organizations. So that's why I thought of sharing this with you. Now, what do you think about it, and how you are doing in your job? Please write it down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.